How to move email from spam to inbox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can move your emails from spam to inbox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your Gmail. Open up your Gmail, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you do that, you can now head over to your spam email. Now, sometimes your important mails also end up in spam. So, yeah, if you want to bring it back to this inbox, this is how you do it. First, head over to the spam folder. It's right here. Tap on the more option and then head over to spam. After you tap on spam, you should see a lot of different options here. Now, from here, if any one of these are relevant and you want it in inbox, what you can do is you can just tap on this, just select those emails and tap on not spam. After that, as you can see right here, two conversations unmarked as spam and move to inbox. Now those messages are available in inbox. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can send your emails from spam folder to your inbox folder. Thanks for watching. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.